Hey guys, I saw a common problem with these Jeep 4.0 engines is a vacuum leak. I've seen a lot of you guys finding vacuum leaks around the throttle body area, and there's different solutions and stuff. But let me tell you how I found mine. My vacuum leak was so bad when the engine was running, it sounded like a whistle, like that's how bad my vacuum leak was. So I bought new gaskets for the throttle body. I took everything off, snugged it up, couldn't find the leak. So what I did was I felt around, and it turns out that the map sensor has a little vacuum elbow that was loose. This is it right here. This little sucker is a little rubber elbow that goes under the map sensor into the throttle body, and it's really soft. Over the years, I guess it got loose. So all I did was I went to the auto parts place and I bought these vacuum elbows. So it's a simple fix. I just pulled out one of these vacuum elbows, cut it to the same measurement, and then I put it back on the map sensor, and that solved up my vacuum leak. So hope this helps. I think a common problem on these old Jeeps. So good luck.